So yesterday we kicked off our beginners class. It's going to last 2 months and the students they were so excited, like super excited. Look at the joy on their faces. Oh my God, they were so excited. And we kicked off starting with prayer because what are you doing without inviting the Holy Spirit? And we are staying here for the next 2 months. So Holy Spirit is totally needed for us to have a very beautiful and a long stay. So we started praying. The assistant coach rep led us in prayer. And after that, we started introducing ourselves. Um, yeah, so meet, we have total of 16 students. We could have had more, but the space is very small. So we had to make do with what we have. Yeah, so everybody went around introducing themselves, and at the end of that, we got to know each other, where you came from. Um, do you have an experience as a baker before, or you're just starting out fresh? We gisted, we talked as family. So after the introduction, there's no point showing everybody. I mean, I'm trying to make this very short. I give them prep talk on what caking is all about, baking business. Most times it's not all rosy. Yeah. So we had the prep talk. It was a very long one. We spent like 2 hours talking. So yeah, look at their beautiful faces. Oh my God, I'm enjoying my stay with them. This is day 2. Okay, this vlog was done today, which is the day 2. And here we were talking about cake costing. Ha! If as a baker or as a business person, you don't know how to do your costing, you are gone. I'm not even kidding. You are gone because it's an essential part of every business. So we were done with that and we decided to have fun because we needed that. We needed that. So we were dancing around. People, I told them after today, after that was yesterday. Yeah, today you guys will see. Hey, guys, they saw Sha because today they did their baking and they were shouting, hey, I didn't know it was like this. So yeah, well, we had for yesterday, which was their induction, and I totally enjoyed it. I totally did. I enjoyed it, their induction. Yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chomo Michael of Lomash Confectionery. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, share. I will be showing you what we are doing throughout this period, and also I share amazing recipes on my channel. So please remember to be here with us throughout this journey. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.